kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar channel is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. I'm gonna give you a fantastic juice and also one of the best from the team. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe for Christmas. Stay tuned. We love you all. And remember, subscribe and clicking the bell is very important. Please remember you can support Chef Ricardo by getting his t-shirt, handbag, jumper, everything is there for you guys. Go on my cooking show. You see the link in the description box, or the link will be in the description box. Click on the link, take you where you can support us. Join the membership team, join the membership, be a member on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, and you know what I mean, yeah, support us, guys. We love you, and stay tuned and watch this lovely recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Thank you. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I just pour everything in my Ninja blender. I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have blueberry, strawberry, and also raspberry. It's 3 different kind of mixture, and I'm gonna put some milk inside of it like this, some whole milk, roughly about half glass of milk. I'm gonna put some ice, not a lot of ice, just few pieces of ice inside of it. Still gonna come out really thick and nice. Also, little bit of honey, not too much. It's a very easy recipe, you know what I mean? I have the blueberry, the strawberry, and the raspberry and milk. I was gonna put a ripe banana inside of it, spinach and this thing, but I'm just gonna leave it as simple as it is at the moment. So all I'm going to do, cover and just blend it. You know, you can drink this before you go to work in the morning, or you know, whatever you feel like you want to drink it. Nice one. And my glass can be right there, and I'm gonna just blend this nice and lovely, guys. I know you guys will love this one. Very easy, nice and lovely, guys. If you ever want see this juice here, so easy and very simple. So what I'm going to do, fill up my glass. Alright, so that look nice and rich, and the color is so perfect. I love the color. The color is so nice. That's how you're gonna serve your guests. Alright, then simple. It's so simple, guys, you know what I mean? Anyone definitely can love this simple little drink right here. You don't need nothing to, you know, yeah, very easy and simple, guys. So you can make this one at home, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave a comments below, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. And you know what I mean, it's just a simple little recipe. Blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry. Very easy recipe. You can put ripe banana, you can put ice cream in it, and a little bit of milk and some ice. Blend it, get a perfect smoothie in the morning before you go to work. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.